A friend of mine gave me this great puzzle to solve. Let's try it? Wow, that was fun! Do you know you can create your own puzzle and challenge your friends and family to make it? Okay, let me show you how to do it. All you need to make your puzzle is some popsicle sticks, markers, tape, and scissors to cut the tape. For my puzzle, I'm just gonna draw some nice colorful shapes. But first, before we draw, make sure you put some tape at the back of your sticks to make sure they don't move while you draw. Just like that. And I'm done! Here's the puzzle I will give to my friends for a little challenge. Of course, you can draw anything you like. Before you give it to your friend though, make sure you remove the tape and shuffle the sticks. Now, who will be able to solve my puzzle and who will be able to solve yours?